First, we'll open the driver's side door. Right where the steering is, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. Right where the logo is, underneath the logo there is a lever that needs to be pressed towards left side, and then we lift up the hood. This is that lever that I was talking about. Just press and hold the lever on the left side and then lift up the hood. While holding the hood, we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, underneath the battery is a location for the engineer filter. It has two brackets that we need to pull out. One bracket is right here. The other bracket is on the left. Once both the brackets are pulled down, now what we'll do is we'll grab it from here, lift it a little upside, and then pull it towards yourself. There it is. That is how we take out the top cover. And right there is our filter. Grab the filter from this corner right there and then pull it outwards. Just like that, that is how we take out the filter for this car. My case, the filter is good, so I'll be installing it back. But if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure that this curved side right there stays at the top and the other side with the plastic cover stays at the bottom. So we'll go ahead and punch in this filter back where we took it out from. It doesn't really matter if you punch it this way or the other way around, both ways are perfectly fine. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this filter back. We lift up the top cover all the way upside and then punch in the filter. Make sure it's completely sitting in that spot, and it seems like it is. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the top cover. Notice this is behind the filter and there are actually two tabs. One tab is right here and the other tab is right there. So these two tabs are supposed to go into these two positions of the filter right there. We'll have to make sure to punch in both of those tabs into those two positions. Here I'm showing you guys from a different angle. Make sure you are grabbing it from here and then carefully slide in both of those tabs into those two positions. And there you notice both tabs are slided completely in. Now make sure the top cover is completely in and all the way pressed down as well, because from this end both sides needs to be completely slided down. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the first bracket. First bracket is in. Second bracket is also in, also not coming out. With that, we are done with the replacement of engineer filter for this car. Now suppose you want to close the hood back, just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. Lower the hood up until the middle, and to close the hood properly, we will leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to press it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.